Hey guys, and welcome to another video. Today, I'll be making this bracelet over here. It's called the seashell bracelet. I put this lock charm on it because it looks pretty. I have a lot of charms, but I use all of them except one that I won't be using in this bracelet. But yeah, I just put this lock charm, and this is called a seashell bracelet if you don't know. I'll be showing you the colors I need for this bracelet. So for this fuchsia part over here, I'm using this tie-dye jelly fuchsia. And then if you see this blue part over here, that's going to be this tie-dye jelly dark blue. And then for this purple part over here, if you can see that purple part, that's going to be this tie-dye jelly purple. So yeah, let's get started with this bracelet. It's hook only, so you won't be needing a loom or anything. So yeah, let's get started. You're going to start with your first color, that's this, no, it's your tie-dye dark blue, and then you cap it around 3 times on your hook. And if you don't know a triple cap band, if you watch the how to make the, what is that called? The box pro bracelet, yeah, if you know a cap band, it showed you how to make a cap band. And yeah, so you make a triple cap band. And then you take your outside color, and now this is kind of a tricky part. You put it over the cap band like this, and then, over the cap band like this, and then you put a finger under. Again, take a outside color, and you take the band, okay. You kind of put that by your hook, and you just pull the cap band in, not this band over here. You can see that band right there. Sorry for the background noise if you hear it. And then you don't put this band up like that, you leave it there. Take your next color, mine is this tie-dye purple, and you twist it around 3 times around on your hook, like that. Then you put this other band on your hook again. Take a band, pull it through just the cap band. If you see this tie-dye jelly fuchsia band, you never pull that through anything. So you pull it through just like that. Like that. And then you leave this band like that. You don't put it up like that. Sorry. So take your next color, cap on your hook 3 times, like that. Take a band and put that band that you didn't put up, and you put it up again. Take a band, pull it through just the cap band. And don't pull through this band or your bracelet won't form good. It will form, but it won't form good. You just pull it through the cap band, like that. Then, if this is your last color, you can keep going on. You just put this up. Oopsie. Take this band and put it up now. Now, you take a band and you pull it through everything, and that should be your outside color band. Or for your next statement, your thing, and then you pull it through everything, and you put it on like that. So guys, it looks like this. Then you take this off, and you can get a finger loom to hold this on something. I won't get another hook or a finger loom. Oh yeah, I will get a finger loom. So put one on your finger loom. If you don't have a finger loom, you can just use your hands or another crochet, any type of hook. And then you put the first, So now we take that and we flip it over. So you take it off, and then you put your hook through there, and now it's flipped over. So now you take your finger loom that's over here and put it to that side with a hole and that little bump. You take the first band on your hook, and you're gonna put it on your finger loom like that. You're gonna put, oopsie, it just got off, it's okay. So you put on your finger loom like normal. The band that you pull through is tight, so put it on your finger loom carefully. I'll do that off camera, yeah. And then you take your first color, and the first band's on your finger loom. So you take it and you cap it 3 times on your hook like that. Now you take this other band and you put that back on your hook. Put your finger loom away and you'll still be needing it. Now you take a band and you pull it through just the cap band. It was a different step, right? And you just the cap band like that. And you can pull 1 band and then 2 bands and then 3 bands from the cap band. Then you leave the cap band there. And now you take your tie-dye jelly purple and you cap it on your hook. And guys, it should be a good cap band or else your bracelet won't form good. Or you have to kind of tighten it. It shouldn't be cap band like this I just put on, like that. And then you put the other side up where you just left the band. Take an outside color, just put the cap band up. Warnings, just put the cap band up. And there should be 2 bands that's into the cap band. Now you leave that band there, you don't put it up. And then you take a band and you cap it. Like cap it 3 times. And then put the other band up, like that. Take a band, pull it through the cap band, just the cap band, guys. And then again, if you want to add more colors, you can, but I'm using 3 colors and you're gonna put it up. Take a band, pull it through everything now. And you put that band up. If you want to add more, you can. So take a band, pull it through everything. It's so hard pulling it through everything. Again. And then you put it over that band. And then you put the other side up. Like that. And it's kind of forming, guys. You see? It's kind of forming. It looks so pretty like this. And you can stop from now and make a ring. But I'm making a whole bracelet. If you don't know. So now you're going to flip it over again. And I'll be doing this one more time and going on to fast mode. But not right now. So, again, you'll be needing your finger loom. You flipped it over. If you flipped over to the band and you put it on your thumb and then you put it again on that, you always flip it over. And then it won't be forming like this if you don't flip it over. So, you take it, take the first band, put on your finger loom. Oopsie, I didn't put on my finger loom. And any peg on your finger loom will work. Take that off your finger loom. Then, get a blue band, cap it on your hook 3 times. Sorry, that was 2 times. 3 times. Then take the other band on your finger loom, put that up. Take your finger loom to the side. You will be still needing it. Take a band. Just pull through the cap band, no band else. Just the cap band, like that. And don't pull this band accidentally in or your bracelet's gone. It's like unformed. And then you leave that band there. Take your tie-dye purple, twist on your hook 3 times. So let's try now 2, and then it'll be 3, like that. Put the other band up. Take a band, take a band, just pull it through the cap band. Sorry, kind of getting in the way. Sorry about the background noise if you hear it again. Oh my god, this is not forming good. Okay, yeah, now it's good. And then you put your cap band above. Take your last color. That's again your tie-dye jelly blue. Just around your hook 3 times. Sorry for the background noise. And then you put the band up, and you put the cap band, and you put the other band up here. Take a band, pull it through just the cap band. Then, if you want to add more colors, you can, and you just put this band up. Take the band, pull through everything on your hook. Like everything, mostly everything. Everything. Mostly, it means everything. Like that. And then you put it back on your hook. You flip it, so you put it on one finger, you take your hook and you put it through the other way, and then you flip over your hook so it's the right size, and then take your finger, and then as you just keep doing that until your bracelet or ring is long enough for you. And then I'll be going on fast mode and doing this for like all on fast mode, and I'll see you how to end this bracelet up. So let me set that down. Going on to fast mode. So guys, I'm back from fast mode, and this is what I formed. I said I'm going to form a bracelet, but I just changed my mind, and I wanted to form a ring. So when you flip this over, and I flipped it over, but don't put on your finger loom right now, because now we're doing the ending. And if you want to keep going on, you can, and everything. So I flipped it over, these bands, and then now we're going to be making a single chain to form the ring. And now, if you're making a bracelet, you do the same. You just form a single chain for the bracelet if you want. Or you can keep going on and just add a C-clip or a S-clip. Okay? So I'll be making a single chain, but not off camera. So I'm back from fast mode, guys. And then you take a band, your outside color, and you pull through both bands. Now. And you make your single chain how long your ring size is. Mine is pretty small, so I'll be doing 3 hoops. So 1, I did 1, and then pull band through. And then if you don't know the single chain, I made the single chain in all bracelets. So yeah. Again, sorry about the background noise if you hear it. The single chain. I'll do 1 last hoop because my ring size is actually 4. I just thought of it. I'm like, oh yeah. And then you hang it up like this. Okay, now this is kind of tricky part if you're making a ring. So then you put it inside this band, like any of these. Like if you see there's 2 hoops, 2 hoops, 2 hoops. Just put in the middle of those 2 hoops. Then you take your S-clip or C-clip will work. Let me get my S-clip. So you put your S-clip, and you take this band off of your hook. Take your S or C-clip, and you put it on one side if you're having an S-clip. And then take that off, and put it on your S-clip like that. So yeah, it formed my ring. So thank you for watching. Subscribe to my YouTube channel, hit the notification bell, and it looks so pretty now, and it looks kind of the same, but these have darker colors than this one. I kind of used a lot of yellow in this. I have way more tie-dye jelly bands than this, but I can stretch this, kind of break, and I have this S-clip and this and the charm, but I won't add a charm in this. So if you want to, just figure out a way. And yeah, this is how you form it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, hit the notification bell, and like this video. At least 100 likes should be on this video. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.